Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cook Varutharacha chicken curry. I have 1 lb of chicken here, so let's get started. First we'll prepare the masala. So I have 1 cup of grated coconut, 5 red chili, 1 cardamom, 3 cloves, small cinnamon stick, a small bay leaf, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, whole pepper, and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seeds. So we are going to fry all of them. Just taking a pan, turn on the heat, add some oil, and let's add one by one. Start with cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, bay leaf. Wait for a few seconds. And then let's add cumin seeds, fennel seeds, whole pepper. Just saute. And then let's add coriander seeds. Just fry them a little bit. After a few seconds, let's add red chilies. Okay, just fry them a little bit. And then we can add our grated coconut. And now we are going to fry the coconut until it turns light brown in color. Now as you can see, the coconut started turning brown in color, so we can turn off the heat and let it cool down, and then we can grind it like a paste. So I've got everything to a mixer jar, add little water and grind it. And our masala is ready. Taking a vessel, turn on the heat. 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, adding few mustard seeds, 1 green chili, ginger garlic paste, okay, curry leaves, one onion cut into thin slices like this, and fry the onions until they turn light brown in color. So the onions are fried. Now I'm adding 1 tomato and let it cook for 5 more minutes. So the tomato is cooked. Now we can add the chicken. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt, let it cook for 5 minutes like this. Just mix it well. Just leave it like this for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Now we can add the masala. And adding a little water. And mix it well. And now we can close it with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes, and occasionally just take a look and give a stir, make sure it is not getting dried. So it's been 15 minutes. Okay, it looks good. And chicken also got cooked. So I'm going to leave it like this for 5 more minutes, and then we can turn off the heat. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm adding little coriander leaves, and then we can turn off the heat.